The operation of PhiCleaner is very easy. First, place PhiCleaner correctly at the starting position. The placement rules are determined by the specific robot model. The placement rules are very simple and easy to learn. Turn on the switch button and wait 10 seconds to start the robot. Open your APP AI-Kwun. Log in and select your PhiCleaner robot. Set your PV panels type and quantity information. Set the cleaning times you want. One button start. Let's see how does it work. PhiCleaner's autonomous cleaning no need the remote control. It goes straight and covers 100% of PV panels. Deep cleaning of PV panels frame stains. Maximize PV power generation efficiency. If you need such a robot, please feel free to contact us. You can also subscribe to our channel to learn more about us.